Today I am reviewing the Apple 2021 iPad 10.2-inch. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a reliable, affordable, and smooth-performing tablet for everyday use, the Apple 2021 iPad 10.2-inch Wi-Fi model in silver, especially the renewed version, is still one of the strongest value options you can get. Even though it is not the newest iPad in Apple's lineup, it continues to deliver a very solid experience for students, casual users, and anyone who wants a dependable tablet for daily tasks. Let's start with the display. The iPad features a 10.2-inch Retina display, which is known for its sharpness, color accuracy, and overall clarity. Even though the resolution details are not the highest compared to newer premium tablets, the Retina quality ensures that text looks crisp, videos are enjoyable, and images appear clear and vibrant. For browsing, watching movies, reading, or attending online classes, the screen feels more than sufficient. One of the biggest strengths of this iPad is its simplicity and ease of use. Apple's iPadOS is extremely smooth and user-friendly. Everything feels intuitive, from navigating apps to switching between tasks. Even if you're not very tech-savvy, you can pick it up and start using it comfortably within minutes. That is one of the main reasons iPads continue to be popular worldwide. In terms of performance, the 2021 iPad is powered by Apple's efficient chipset that handles everyday tasks with ease. While it is not designed for heavy professional workloads like high-end video editing or advanced 3D rendering, it performs very well for common use cases. You can browse the internet, stream videos, attend Zoom or Google Meet calls, take notes, and use productivity apps without noticeable lag. This makes it especially suitable for students. Whether you're attending online classes, reading PDFs, writing notes, or using educational apps, the iPad remains smooth and responsive. It also works well for casual entertainment, such as watching YouTube, Netflix, or playing light games from the App Store. Now let's talk about storage. This version comes with 64 gigabytes of internal storage. For basic users, this is usually enough if you rely on cloud storage services like iCloud, Google Drive, or streaming apps. However, if you plan to download a large number of apps, offline movies, or big files, you may need to manage storage carefully. This is one of the few limitations of the base model. Since this is a Wi-Fi only version, it works best in environments where you have stable internet access, such as home, school, or office. It does not support cellular data, so you will need Wi-Fi to stay connected. One of the biggest advantages of this iPad is the Apple ecosystem. If you already use an iPhone or Mac, the integration is seamless. You can easily sync photos, documents, notes, and messages across devices. Features like AirDrop, iCloud syncing, and continuity make the overall experience very convenient and connected. Even as a renewed product, this iPad can still feel very close to new if it is in good condition. Renewed devices are typically tested and restored to working condition, which makes them a more affordable entry point into Apple's ecosystem without paying full retail price. Battery life is another strong point. iPads are known for lasting through a full day of regular use, and this model is no exception. Whether you're streaming videos, attending classes, or browsing the web, you can comfortably expect all-day performance depending on usage. In terms of build quality, Apple maintains its signature premium aluminum design. The iPad feels solid, lightweight, and easy to carry around. It is comfortable to hold for long periods, whether you're reading, watching content, or working on the go. Now, let's talk about real-world usage. This iPad is best suited for students, casual users, and families. It works well as a secondary device for entertainment, learning, and light productivity. It is not meant to replace a high-end laptop or professional workstation, but it excels in everyday convenience. Of course, there are some limitations to keep in mind. The 64 gigabyte storage may feel restrictive over time, especially if you install many apps or store offline content. Also, it lacks some of the advanced features found in newer iPad models, such as higher refresh rate displays or more powerful processors. However, when you consider the price of a renewed unit, these trade-offs become much easier to accept. Overall, The Apple 2021 iPad 10.2-inch Wi-Fi 64 gigabytes is still one of the best budget-friendly tablets in Apple's lineup. It delivers a smooth experience, excellent software support, strong build quality, and reliable performance for everyday use. If you want an affordable way to enter the Apple ecosystem or need a simple, dependable tablet for daily tasks, this iPad is definitely worth considering.